Hello and welcome. Welcome to the box room. It's sometimes very frustrating when I can't find things that I should be able to find. Anyway, like downstairs, I was testing disk drive things, and I had a program disk, or a 1541 test demo disk that I'd accidentally formatted, but I could still use it because I'd saved the program, and now I'm like, where'd it go? I don't know. I just don't know. It's very frustrating. Anyway, now I'm going to look at this and see that there is no documentation on this 1541, which is not good. Because I don't like doing things twice. And this thing just keeps on falling down. But mind you, I guess there's a lot of things pulling on it. So fine. Let it fall. Alright, so here is the power supply for this 64 that's been tested. The 64 is off. Well, that's always comforting. Alright, so turn that on. And we'll plug that in. And we'll look. Oh my god, what a mess. What an unbelievable mess. Things are here. Wow. What's that? I don't even know. Oh my god. Alright, well here is a power cord. And oh man. One day I'll get tidy in here. Oh man. Okay, so I believe that these three drives are fine. I believe that they are. So turn that on. Now here is a disk that says that it is a 1541 test demo disk. We will change the screen. Poke 53280 and poke 53281. And we will load the directory. And indeed, it looks like an early version of the test demo disk. And it has loaded. So I'm going to take a blank disk out of this bag here that is new, old stock, brand new discs. Mind you, it has a little waggle to it. And I'm going to fold down this, but it should be held in place, okay? And then I'm going to run and just make sure that what we have here is a disk drive that works. So 1541. I will write performance test and then wait to put a check mark or OK. Well, I think it's okay. I think it will be okay. Then I can get it off here, get it out of here, send it away, away, away. I'll get this area all tidy. That is the plan. By the way, this hat that I'm wearing is nothing special. It's actually like a cheap costume hat thing that I got. But I figure, little by little, I'll fill it with things. It's pretty sturdy. So we'll see. I think it's best for pins, because it is kind of sturdy. I'd have to, well, I wonder if it's too thick. I'll find out. I will find out. Mind you, the one thing about when you use pins on things like this, once they go through, and there will always be a hole. But it's a cheap costume hat. It will be okay. So we are doing the things that the performance test does. And from what I remember, these are all fine. The disc is making kind of a funny noise because I think of the slight bend to it. Slight bend. All right. Sounds good. It has performance test. Check mark. Okay. Good. Now, I think what I will do is put this disc back into here. Put it right there. I know where it is. And I will turn the drive off. And I will unplug it from the serial port. And I will unplug it from the power. What is going on here? Oh. And then I will turn this one on. There we go. And what's in here? Oh, there's a disc. Beautiful. All right. Well, I know that's a blank disc. I just put it in because it's a blank disc. So I'll run that. I think I'm going to set this joystick aside. Take it to the World of Commodore. The Frankenstein joystick. Yes, that's what I think I will do. All right, what is this? Oh, maybe I'll set this aside. Yeah. Okay, so because I know that I should write more. Let's see. JA 107540. So 1 is being tested. And you know what? I think I'm just going to stick this on the top. With, of course, the assistance of some tape. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's funny, as I see on the floor here, there's another 1541 that's not marked. And somehow or another, there's a chip here. Well, I guess it was in. There, I got a. Oh, great. Now I've got a chip to test. Okay, well, this is working. It seems to be working. Perf. Test. All right. Well, that went well. All right. I am running out of space here. Shocking as that might be. Oh. Put this down. Turn this off. Turn around ever so gently. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. So there was a thing on that. Seems to be okay. JA1174544. Okay. Kind of yellowed. But you know, natural sunlight will help with the yellowing. There's I know there's chemicals and things that do it much faster. But if you can just leave something out in the sun, it will improve. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. Another drive here. All right, I'm going to have to move some stuff. So, when I see you again, we'll do some more. Oh, dear, what have I done? There's the program. And I know it was 1840 where I put in. Or was it? I think it was 1845. Green. Oh, you know what? This could be a different version. Yeah, it's a different version. Okay. Well, thanks for coming. We'll see you later. We'll see you again as we test more of these things, document more of these things, and get this cleared up once and for all. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.